What's up, bitches? It's your girl Darcy, and today I am doing another hairstyle look. This look is going to be a half up, half down. So basically, I really wanted to do another hairstyle tutorial because I really enjoyed doing the last one. No, nobody asked for it, but you're getting it anyways. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing today. I am going to be doing one of my go-to hairstyles, which is to put my hair half up and do like a little high pony up here and have it come down and like have the strands be curled, and then like have the other half down as well and have this be curled as well. I said as well as many times. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be curling my hair. I curl my whole head first and then I put it up just because that works better for me, and I don't follow any kind of particular rule when it comes to curling my hair. I know people will put half of their hair up and then curl the bottom half and then curl the top half and separate it into sections and do 1 inch or whatever. I don't follow any of that because typically that takes way too long, and I like to curl my hair on a regular basis, so I've abbreviated that. So I pretty much just curl my hair from front to back. I'll part it down the middle here and just kind of separate it into 2 sections, and that's it. And then I just work from the back to the front and get as many pieces as I possibly can. My hair is already kind of naturally wavy as it is, so I don't curl as much, you know. I just kind of let it do its thing because it's gonna flatten out as the day goes on anyways, because my hair never keeps any volume. I just have really thin hair, but like a lot of it, so I don't know. You gotta work with what you got. So this is me working with what I got. I'm just going to be curling my whole hair, and then I'll show you guys how I put it up. For anyone wondering, I am using a 1 inch barrel. So I'm just gonna pull the curls out a little bit. I just kind of run my fingers through everything to make it look nicer. And then pull the rest of your hair back like this. I'm going to straighten them with my straight arm and just kind of get them in the position that I want them to be in. Once my bangs are in order, I am going to start pulling my hair up. So normally I just take the section that I want to pull up and use my fingers to separate the strands, and then I'll take a brush and brush it so that it looks nice. And then I'm going to take my brush and brush this. I'm going to separate this section here.
Thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better, like you never met me.
So I like to use these little rubber bands. I usually use like 3 of them. They're the little plastic ones that you can get from like Dollar Tree. You can get like 500 for like $1. So I use these because they generally work the best for this. They're kind of difficult to take out at the end of the night, but not impossible. So I usually just take the hair and put it as much at the top of my head as I can, and then I pull it through here. So I get it in there. Then I'm literally just going to pull this. I hold this section down and I pull so that it starts pointing upwards. Separate these, and I'm going to re-curl the bottom section here so it looks a little bit more defined. And then I'm going to go back over the pony as well and do the same thing to the other side. I really like to pull these forward as much as possible so that I have this little fountain spraying out of my head, I guess. And yeah, that is how I do my half up, half down look. This is pretty simple. This is kind of normally my going out look for hair. It's just really easy. It keeps some of my hair up and out of my face, which helps if you're going to like a club or you're going out dancing. It's kind of a hindrance to you getting crazy if your hair is all like on your neck and making you sweaty and stuff. So this is something that helps with that. I don't like to have my hair up completely because I think I look like an egg. So yeah, I think it always makes me look cute and girly, which is what I'm trying to achieve 90% of the time. During my everyday stuff, I look more like a tomboy. I like t-shirts and jeans and sneakers, so I don't dress up all that much. But if I'm going out, and this always works in my favor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you bitches later. Bye!